Wow! This stuff works great. It has completely cleaned 5 pairs of my older running shoes and made them look like they were only a few months old. These won't make your year-old shoes look brand new, but they will take out all the dirt, get rid of the yellow color that it turns white sneakers after a while, and restores the dingy colors back to as vibrant as they used to be. The thing I noticed is the more you take your time, have a warm bowl of water next to wherever you are washing and make sure the soap is lathering up, the better it will clean. If the soap starts to fade and doesn't later, add it to the brush, not the water. Scrub across horizontally and vertically a few times, it seems to get the dirt out better. Product arrived quickly and appears to be the same product purchased at a sneaker store, but had a strong chemical smell not noticed with our first purchase. Best shoe cleaner around. If you want to stop buying shoes because your shoes are dirty, get this soap and clean your sneakers. I have never encountered a problem, but I am sure I will eventually. Click link in description for more reviews.